What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put It Work Burke. And today we are talking about branch pay app review. Is it right for you? Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe and share this video, okay? Because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and what? Business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Branch pay. Is it right for you? Okay, so branch pay is not the most user-friendly app, okay, for instant pay. It's a lot more hoops you have to jump through to get instant pay through branch pay. Okay, it really might not be worth it at all. But hey, let's look at the app a little deeper and make your decision. Okay, so what are the pros of the branch pay app? No interest or membership fees, same day funding available for $2.99 to $4.99 depending. Withdraw up to $500 per pay period, option to send cash advances to branch debit card platform to manage your work schedule and finances. Okay, so now the cons of branch pay. They have a 2-month wait to get approval for cash advances. Cash amount based on your paycheck and spending habits. 3-day turnaround for cash advances with free option. Limited information about the service on the website. A wait list for employees at companies that don't currently offer branch pay. So, in my opinion, branch pay is not really worth it if you're in need of an app that pays instantly without a long setup period. The app does do more than just help with payday advances, but I don't think it's a good app to use for instant pay if your employer doesn't work through the app, because like I said, it's a 2-month waiting list just to get included in the app. Okay, like you can sign up now if you're not in need right now and you want to have this in your back pocket for just in case purposes. But like I said, if you're in need right now, this might not be the app for you. Now, to qualify for branch pay, you must meet these requirements. Direct deposits must be consecutive and from the same employer. Direct deposits must go into the same account and be on a predictable schedule. And direct deposits need to be over $40. Okay. Now, the other features of the app is that it focuses on making your work schedule more manageable, and you can easily switch shifts, see how much you've worked on, and track how much money you've made. In some instances, you can use the app to connect with other coworkers. Branch Pay does have good scores on the app stores. Okay, it's 4.8 out of 5 on iOS App Store and 4.3 on Google Play. All in all, it's a decent app to use if you need some cash before your next payday. But if you find yourself using these kind of apps on a regular basis, then it's time to find a way to build income outside of your job without having to clock in or out, right? If you're interested in the app or more apps like this, check out the link below. It's the link to my site. It will give you 10 apps that help you get instant pay. Now, if you want to learn how to build your economy using the power of social media, click the first link in the description, wealthbuildersystem.com. That's Wealth Builders with a Z, system.com. Until next time, Wealth Builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, Von Put in Work Burke, signing off for Branch Pay app review. Is it right for you? Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.